Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with my first hands-on ever of this Huawei Mate X. Now this phone has been out for quite a while, but it's the first time I've had my hands on it, and I gotta say, what a stunning piece of hardware from this gorgeous 8-inch display, the Kirin 980 processor. You have a 40 megapixel camera on this, but I think the display is the stunning part, and the most stunning part obviously is how it folds. So let's go ahead and fold this here. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. There we go. And shout out to my man Lam Po, dude. He's the man with a plan. He's the one who is letting me do this hands-on, and it's a gorgeous device. As you see there, now we have it completely folded. And I just gotta say, since I have used the Galaxy Fold, that's the first thing I think about. This one folds outwards versus the Fold, which goes from kind of closing up and opening up to the display. This one, you have the display on both sides, so that means the back of this phone is also display. You have to be pretty careful, but let's just kind of play around with this device. My gosh, it's a large size on the front here, and I think this display ends up being around 6.7 inches when you actually have it folded up, and that is much more, I think, a common smartphone size. This is the type of phone phone size that you would use day to day. But then when you fold it out, you have that gorgeous 8-inch display. On the back, we can see we have the camera setup and all this stuff. And this is a second-hand unit right here, but it still is looking very pristine, at least on the display. That's the key part here. And I know you probably have to carry this around with a case or something to protect it, because or else, gosh, it might have some problems. Let's go to About Phone, and this is in Chinese here, but I think I can figure it out. There we go. That is the Mate X, and you can see there, Kirin 980, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. It's a pretty hefty phone, but I must say, it looks more like a regular phone on the front than I expected, and that's what I really like about it. And now let's kind of open the fold, just the Huawei Mate X one more time, right here. Oh, and I think there is a mechanism. You have to press the button on the back. Let's do that again real quick. You press the button on the back, and then it opens up to a full display. And that's really cool. I think that kind of spring mechanism for opening the full display is really neat. And now you have an 8-inch display. It's almost a square, but I think you can still watch a lot of great content on this. And now I know that some guys like Ben Sin from Ben's Gadget Reviews, he was able to put Google Play on this phone, and I think you can do it now. It's pretty easy to put Google Play on the Huawei phones in general. This one is no different. But anyways, just a quick look here, hands-on Frankie Tech. This phone is still expensive, but I really am pretty impressed by it. Having used the Galaxy Fold, it's amazing to see this foldable technology becoming just bigger and better here in 2020, and this phone is no different. I think they'll be also launching Mate X 2, or maybe an update to this with the Kirin 990 and kind of better specs very soon as well. Anyways, that's it for this quick look here, quick hands-on. Hit me up with any questions or comments, and I'll be happy to answer those. And that's it for this video. Thanks, guys. And if you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Anyways, that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Wow, so gorgeous, man. So gorgeous.